So today we are going to discuss about implicit differentiation. So what is first of all we have to know that what is implicit function and explicit function. So this is your explicit function. Why? Because x cube plus y minus y into x square equal to 0. From that to y common, so 1 minus x square, and that x cube is here, so minus x cube. So it means y equal to minus x cube by 1 minus x square. So multiplied with minus here, so y equals to x cube by x square minus 1. So from this equation we got this equation. That means y can be expressed explicitly in terms of x. Sure. From this equation we can easily find the value of y in terms of x. That means the value of y can be explicitly expressed as in terms of x. So this equation is known as the explicit equation. But for this equation, x cube plus y cube equal plus 3ax equal to 0, we cannot find y explicitly in terms of x. Sure. So we can see that. That means x cube plus y into y square plus 3x equal to 0. So y should be equals to minus x cube by y square plus 3x. Look at the y is here and y square is there. So we cannot find y in terms of x explicitly. So this equation is called the implicit function or implicit equation. So now definition of implicit function. A function f of x comma y is said to be implicit if it is not possible to expressed in terms of x. And again repeat that a function f of xy is said to be implicit if it is not possible to express y in terms of x. Now problem number 1. Find dy dx when x square plus xy plus y square equal to 100. Given x square plus xy plus y square equal to 100, differentiating with respect to x, we get 2x plus y plus x into dy dx plus 2y dy dx equal to 0. Sure, because y square derivative is 2y dy dx obviously. From that to dy dx is common, so x plus 2y into dy dx, and that 2 is there, so minus 2x plus y. So this should be dy dx equal to minus 2x plus y by x plus 2y. So it is your answer. So now the next problem. Find dy dx when tan inverse x square plus y square equal to a. So how to solve? Given tan inverse x square plus y square equal to a, so x square plus y square equal to tan a. Sure. So now differentiating with respect to x, we got 2x plus 2y dy dx, that is equal to 0, because this is a constant term, derivative of tan a equal to 0. So now dy dx equals to minus of x by y. Now problem number 3. If sin square y plus cos xy equal to pi, find dy dx. How to find it? Given sin square y plus cos xy equal to pi, so differentiating with respect to x, we got derivative of sin square y is 2 sin y into derivative of sin y is cos y into derivative of y is dy dx. Sure. Now derivative of cos xy is cos is minus sin xy, and now derivative of xy is x dy dx plus y equal to 0. So now multiplying, so this should be 2 sin y cos y means sin 2y dy dx minus this one into that one. So sin xy into x dy dx, that means x sin xy dy dx, and that should be y sin xy. So that one is there, so plus y sin xy. Now from that to dy dx is common, so sin 2y minus x sin xy, that should be equal to y sin xy. So now dy dx should be equals to y sin xy by sin 2y minus x sin xy. It is your answer. So now problem number 4. If sin xy plus cos xy equal to 1 and tan xy not equal to 1, prove that dy dx equal to minus y by x. So given sin xy plus cos xy equal to 1, so differentiating with respect to x, we got cos xy into x dy dx plus y minus sin xy into x dy dx plus y equal to 0. So now from that to x dy dx plus y is common, so cos xy minus sin xy equal to 0. So that should be not equal to 0. Why? Because tan xy not equal to 1. That means sin xy by cos xy not equal to 1. That means cos xy minus sin xy not equal to 0. So that should be x dy dx plus y equal to 0. And so x dy dx equal to minus y by x. It is your answer. Now problem number 5. If cos inverse x square minus y square by x square plus y square equal to sin inverse a, then prove that dy dx equals to y by x. How to prove it? Given cos inverse x square minus y square by x square plus y square equal to sin inverse a. So x square minus y square by x square plus y square equal to cos sin inverse a. Now differentiating with respect to x, we got x square plus y square whole square into by x square plus y square into derivative of x square minus y square minus x square minus y square into derivative of x square plus y square, and that should be equal to 0 because cos sin inverse a equal to constant, so that is the derivative of that constant equal to 0. So now multiplying with 0, we get x square plus y square into derivative of this one, it's 2x minus 2y dy dx minus x square minus y square into 2x plus 2y dy dx equal to 0. So now cross multiplied it, and after simplification we got dy dx equals to y by x. It is a very easy and simple calculation. See, the student, you please check it. So now problem number 6. If x into root under 1 plus y into root under x plus 1 plus x equal to 0, where x not equal to y, then prove that dy dx equals to minus of 1 by 1 plus x whole square. How to prove it? Given x into root under 1 plus y into root under 1 plus x equal to 0. So x into root under 1 plus y, that is equal to minus of y into root under 1 plus x. Now squaring both sides, we got x square into 1 plus y equal to y square into 1 plus x. Now x square plus x square y equal to y square plus xy square. So x square into y minus xy square plus x square minus y square equal to 0. So from that to xy is common, and this is a formula of x plus y into x minus y. So x minus y is common, so xy plus x plus y equal to 0. So since x not equal to y, so x minus y not equal to 0, so xy plus x plus y equal to 0. So that should be y into x plus 1 equal to minus x, so y equal to minus of x by x plus 1. Now differentiating with respect to x, we got minus, this minus is there, so x plus 1 whole square into x plus 1, derivative of x is 1, so x plus 1 minus x into derivative of x plus 1 is 1, so x, so this x cancel out, so minus 1. So this should be minus 1 by 1 plus x plus 1 whole square. It is your answer.